Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to post a text and photos on Reddit. So I'll be showing you how to do this today on a PC or laptop, but the steps are the same if you're using a mobile device. If you find this video helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So to do this, first thing I'm going to do is actually come and open up a new browser, and what I want to do is just come across to reddit.com, and it is actually very simple to do this. What you need to do is actually create an account if you haven't already. Make sure you're logged in, so you can see I'm logged into my digital tutor account here. And then to simply post text and photos, what you want to do is just come and click onto at the top here. So you can click where it says create post, and then what you can do is just put like a text post here. But if you want to add images as well, then what you would do is click this button next to it which says images and video, and then all you need to do is literally type the title. So I could put like cheesecake, and then with your images you can either drag and drop or you can just upload. I'm just gonna put this one up. If you want to add any links, you can do that as well. So you would just put the web address down here where it says URL, and then all you would do if you want some text is just put that into the text box. So this all creates the one post, they're not like separate things. So you add your text in here, you click this one to add any images or videos, and you click this one to add any web addresses. Once that's done, what you want to do is go ahead and click onto communities at the top, and you just want to choose the community to obviously post that into. So you can post it just on your profile, or you can post it into one of the Reddit communities. You just need to scroll down here. This is some of the ones I'm part of, but what you can also do is just type anything up here. So like food, for example, and I could choose that one. And then once you're happy and that's all done, all you need to do is scroll down and you should see a post button down here. So all you would do is click that. But yeah, that's how you do it. So I hope you found that helpful. If that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. And if you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.